Yes, I know we get the RS6 Avant, and that car was finally given the performance bump it desperately deserves. But there's something about smaller fast wagon that makes them stick in the pleasure centers of my brain. Nimble and tight, yet still useful. Entertaining yet purposeful. Stylish yet not in your face. The compact high-performance wagon segment is not a heavily populated one, especially here in the States. So with a car like the 2023 Audi RS4 Avant, I have to enjoy its existence from afar, because it is forbidden fruit. So why is this thing so awesome? Well, for starters, it's a right-sized Audi wagon, and it's not clad with faux off-road plastic like an all-road version or anything like that. This one is about functional speed and retained utility. Under the hood, why, that would be the twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 borrowed from the Porsche side of the family. Here it's good for 444 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque. Fit the RS4 Avant with the available Competition Plus package, and it gives you more aggressive throttle response. The shifts also rip off more quickly via the 8-speed automatic. You get a 180 mile per hour top speed, and you have more noise from the exhaust outlets as well. That package further retunes the car thanks to the upgraded rear diff, upgraded suspension bits and tuning, and a quicker ratio steering setup. It's enough upgrading and futzing to deliver a fancy fast wagon that can clock a 0 to 60 mile per hour time just under the 4-second mark. The car looks the business with that face, yet it still retains the wonderful quality of subdued aggression you find in most performance Audi models. Minus the latest RS6, oddly enough, which is fitted with all sorts of extra and unnecessary creases and angles. Here on the RS4, it's about box flares and angry eyes, and that's it. I don't believe it gets the RS Torque rear mode that you find on the RS3, which is a bit of a shame, as that is quite fun to play around with and essentially gives you rear-wheel drive fun in an all-wheel drive package. Still, this is a rear-biased all-wheel drive system in the RS4 Avant, so you can still get great and entertaining driving dynamics. Price-wise, these seem to run into the 70 to 80,000 pound range in the UK. That's a nice cut under the 120 to 140,000 pounds dealers are asking for the RS6 Avant over there. So if we could translate that into a 70,000 US dollar compact super wagon here in the States, it would make a heck of an option. Especially when the larger and, yes, far more powerful E63 wagon starts north of $120,000. A Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo with the same yet less powerful version of the engine in the RS4 Avant is a few grand north of $100K. You have to climb to the 4S to get the same power rating, and that one is over $117,000. So by those metrics, the RS4 Avant would be a heck of a fun machine at a far more appealing price point relative to the other super fast wagons on the market. And it would actually compare nicely price-wise to the Volvo V60 T8 Polestar engineered, which is a great option as well, by the way. But none of that matters because Audi has said the RS4 Avant isn't destined for our roads, which makes it forbidden fruit.